In this video, we will see how to download, install, and activate MS Office LTSC Professional 2021 for free. So let us create a folder in a C drive, folder Office 2021. Now go to Google. So you just search for Office Customization Tool. So use Microsoft 365 Apps Admin Center. So here you need to download the configuration files. So for installation purpose, which version you want to install. So select your preferable OS structure, 64-bit. Then select Office Suites. So now I will go for Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021. Then you just come down here. So select the version, latest. So now apps you want to install here. So I'm going to install only 3 apps which are required for my purpose: Excel, PowerPoint, Word. So then you say next. Then select language. So you go for based on operating system. Click on next. So it is about installation through the delivery network. Say next. So if you want to uninstall the previous versions of the Office, you just turn on this option. So otherwise you just make it as off. Next. Again you click on next here. So next you go for exporting the Office customization setup file. So you make it as Office Open XML format. Then you say OK. So accept conditions and name as configuration. Then you go for export. So now save this file in a folder as what we created, Office 2021. Once the completion of configuration file is downloaded, then again you go to Google. Then you search for Office deployment tool. Now click on download. Now again same thing. Copy this downloaded file to the folder Office 2021. So now extract these deployment tool file. Run as administrator. So accept the terms and conditions. Now browse the folder. It's what Office 2021 created in a C drive. So after completing extraction of the deployment tool file, then you run command prompt. So switch to the folder where you have created. So now in the command prompt, just type setup /configure, next file name, that is what configuration XML file. Spelling mistake is there. It took. So now it is going to download the apps from the server. So now installation is completed. Now let us check. So you got the selected apps here. So after some time, it's going to ask you to enter the activation key. So to activate your Office suite. So to overcome that one, you have one more file. You need to activate that one. Let us see first how whether it is starting completely or not. Okay, it's working. So now to activate Office for permanent use, so without getting any activations notification. So you go to program files in a C drive. So click on Microsoft Office, then you go for, it is to be Office 2016. Architecture is 32-bit, so it has taken as a program files 86 folder. Then you select Microsoft Office, then you go for Office 2016. So here is the address. Okay, now you just right click over here, it is what a OSVR, right click, and you make it as a run as administrator. So once you done it, so no need of activation of your MS Office suite.